print can be a daunting trend, but it's one that comes back time and time again. At Redoute, we offer subtle ways of wearing this autumn-winter trend whilst keeping you looking stylish and chic. This classic black Cocoon coat is instantly updated with a subtle blue leopard print trim. The versatile print would make an all-black outfit look a little wilder for those chilly winter months. This crewneck sweater is an eye-catching mix of hot pink and black. It's a welcome update from the traditional animal prints colour palette, and it would go with everything from skater skirts to black ankle grazers. There are a variety of different style bags this season, but one in particular is this on-trend envelope clutch in show-stopping animal print. This tactile bag is large enough for your essentials and comes complete with a versatile gold chain handle.